Hi guys, this is going to be a short video to show you the likewise thick boy gear knob. I bought it for my Honda S2000. I don't usually make videos on my cars on the channel as much lately, but we'll make a few next few months. Anyway, so this is the adapter that they supply for Honda. Essentially converts the thread to the correct size, so it goes from the Honda thread to the likewise gear knob thread. This is the thick boy, so essentially what this is their one of the heaviest knobs I believe they make. This is, if I'm not mistaken, 501 grams, which is quite heavy now when you think about it. But I went for the polished silver look, and it's generally a hefty piece of metal. You got the likewise print right here. See how well you can see that, but yeah, this is proper nice shape. It's really good in the hand, and it's super heavy. So currently I'm running the Club Racer CR gear knob on my S2000. I do like it, but I do want a bit of extra length. So in this case I think this will be perfect. And as you can see, the threads inside, which is essentially where this will pop in and attach to the car. So let's get installed and see how it looks inside the Honda. This is what it currently looks like. This is the round CR gear knob, and as you can see, it's a pretty good knob in that sense, and really does feel great. But I feel if it was a tiny bit higher, so I see the attempt to get an extension or just get a longer gear knob and see how I'll get on with it. So yeah, this is quite heavy too, I think, but it's not as heavy. I think it's around 200 grams or so, and this is solid round ball gear knob. And if we compare it to the likewise one, side by side, you can see that's basically gives you an idea of, it's basically twice the length, twice as tall. So I think it'll be spot on. Anyway, let's get the standard one taken off, and well, I say standard one. Let's get this one taken off, and then we'll see how the likewise one looks. Standard one comes off just basically undoing this little nut here, and then it just twists off. And here we have it. So next step, if I'm not mistaken, is to install this adapter. This goes on first, then this goes on. I believe reduces the length of this thread. Then you get a spanner. So this is 17, and this is probably gonna be a 16. Yeah, just basically snug it up a little bit. Then you grab your gear knob. Should in theory just screw on. Yeah, I think that's really going over, and fits pretty nice in the around the gear gaiter. Yeah, I think I'm quite happy with it. You can see the height of it. It's a little bit higher, and it generally feels quite hefty. Yeah, and I think that's about it. I might try and move the threads around to get this likewise logo sitting around here, but we'll see how I get on with that. But this is as far as installation and what it looks like in a Honda goes.